take a look at this one. Just in it, unique, especially in classics. 2000 Jeep Cherokee Classic. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. A little over 130,000 is all in this one. A lot of life left with that 4-liter underneath the hood, the tried and true inline 6-cylinder. This is also a southern vehicle. I'm going to point out some of the things as we walk around this. Above the wheel wells, lower rockers, extremely clean. And you can see paint's in nice shape. Now you got to remember, it's 24 years old. Is the paint perfect? No. But wow, it is in nice shape considering age and miles. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, and see how clean this thing is, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at the condition of the wheels, radial tires. Plenty of tread left on those. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I'm going to show you some of the things I'm talking about. First of all, no corrosion, rust, anything above the wheel wells. Get down behind them, these lower rockers. How many of these do you see around that are this solid anymore? And if you know anything about these Jeeps, or if you're into them, they obviously have quite a following. I think a lot to do is they can still be worked on. Again, that engine tried and true. 4-wheel drive capabilities. These are darn nice vehicles. They don't make them like this anymore, no doubt about it. Bucket seat, center console, the infinity stereo system. Again, take your time looking through those still pictures. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, take a look above and around those wheel wells, lower rockers. Also some recent work that's been done to this in 2024, so just recently. Some full service work included. New radiator, new rear wiper motor, definitely nice to have. New fog lights up front, new muffler, rear brakes and related parts, and a new battery. So this vehicle's been upkept besides, very well maintained. uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures, and like I said, take a look at the pictures of the underside. You can see a little bit of scuffing going in and out of that rear cargo area, but again, touched up, well taken care of, nice and clean on the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side here, start it up, let you hear it run. We're also going to take this thing for a drive, take it out on the road, put the camera on it, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Take a look down the passenger side, same thing. Above and around the wheel wells, solid lower rockers. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the bottoms of the doors. Over 100 pictures of this car online, or SUV, I should say. Let's take a peek in the rear. No rips, tears, holes. Doesn't hardly look like there's any wear on the seating surface in the rear. Take a look up front. Of course, you're going to still have your modern amenities, the power mirrors, locks, windows. Again, seats, free of rips, tears, holes, really showing much wear at all. There's nice rubber floor mats in it. The little things. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you hear it run. There's your exact miles, 130,030. Let's go ahead and, by the way, that airbag light was a warning light. It goes off after, obviously, ignition. So I'll point that out. Radio working, one of those kind of in between years. You got AM, FM, cassette, and CD, which is always nice. Automatic with overdrive, manual differential lever, or I should say transfer case, sorry. Top of the dash looks good. Direction temperature working. How about headliner? Looking good. Door closes nicely. I can't believe how clean this thing is. Let's hear it run. Sounds as you'd expect. Again, that inline 6-cylinder, 4-liter. Excellent engine, tried and true. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get the hood open so you can see how clean this engine bay is. And remember, stick around to the very end. We're going to take this for a drive. There's the underside of the hood. And of course, the engine bay. Look how nice and clean and tidy this thing is. Of course, power brakes, power steering, AC. All your modern equipment on this one. And best of all, remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, Southern vehicle, actual miles, 2000 Jeep Cherokee Classic 4x4. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2000 Jeep Cherokee. Red paint with a charcoal interior, looking good. This is an automatic on the center console. 4-wheel drive, of course. Nice stock feeling Jeep. It's always handled nice and tight. Got a tilt wheel. Tachometer, speedometer. All our gauges are working well. Temp running 195. Oil pressure about 55. That looks good. Battery's charging right in the middle of the gauge. Factory radio working good. Nice smooth ride. Pretty quiet ride too. Cloth seats, so you're not going to be too hot on something like a vinyl seat. You got nice cloth seats in this Jeep. Power windows, of course. Letting go of the wheel, this Jeep stays nice and straight. No pull to either side. Good power steering. Power brakes working well. Corners nicely. Doesn't lean too much in the corners. Kick down, working on that automatic transmission. Very nice 2000 Jeep Cherokee. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.